The demo is absolutely brilliant. We've just got here and we're just going through all the training and stuff at the moment.
Really great insight into the behind the scenes of how all this Mirka stuff is working. The world of sanding is really changing with this whole automated robot system. Lord, the amount of time we can save.
I'm a woodworker. It's just really interesting to see some of the Mirka products that are more aimed at painting and decorating side of things, the surface finishes.
Everyone's asking me all the time, what products am I using? Straight away it's the Mirka for sanding our wood down, sanding our walls down. But the biggest one that we like the best is the extractor, because that's looking after all of our healths, both me, my employees and my customers.
I think it's quite important for health and safety to be able to use those products and not be breathing in all the harmful particles and stuff in the air. That's amazing. Not only that, I found that since I've started using the Mirka products, it's made my life much easier in comparison to doing everything by hand.
They have the best performing sanders. We've used other companies and we do a lot of sanding. So sometimes we might be sanding for 4 hours or 5 hours a day. We find that there's no fatigue after we finish using it and it gives the best finish. And for us, you can't really argue with that. We'd much prefer to put the money into the finishing operations than we would any other part of our work, because that's obviously what the client's going to see.
You know, we're all really into video making, we're all really into like pulling out the best content and finding the best tools for the people that we're showing them to. So being here at Mirka is a great fit.